Hi Toby Tigers, Miss McDonald here. Let's talk about tape diagrams. Tape diagram is just a fun, fancy word that means boxes that help us understand story problems. Anything I know in the story problem can either go in a box to show a person or a group of people, or it can go in a bracket somewhere on the tape diagram. This type of small bracket means how much this person or group of people have. If this group of people had 5 apples, I could label it like this. Some people, instead of drawing the little bracket, just like to put how much that group or that person has in the box. And either one works just fine. A big bracket like this is saying the total. Let's look at 2 ways that could look. If I have 2 people and they each have apples, this person has 5 apples, this person has 6. If I'm trying to find out the total, I can put a little question mark next to the bracket that means total. This helps me figure out my number sentence, 5 plus 6. This tape diagram could look different though if the story problem gave us different information. If the story problem said we know that one person has 5 apples and the total of the 2 people is 11, now what I'm trying to find out is how many this person has. That leads me to a different number sentence. I could either do 11 minus 6, or excuse, that's the answer. I could do 11 minus 5 to get 6, or some people like to say 5 plus something gets me 11. So the whole point is, what do I know? Put it in a box or put it at the total, and what am I trying to find out? What I'm trying to find out always gets a question mark. So let's do another one. So if I do not know how many apples the first person has, and I know this person has 15, if I do not know the total, I can't do much. I need to reread the story problem. I need at least one of these filled in. If I reread and I find out in the story problem that this person has a certain amount, now I can figure out what number sentence I need to find out the total. Or, if I still don't know how much this person has, and I do know the total, that leads me to my number sentence a different way. So one more time, tape diagrams, a funny word, but not that tricky. Just boxes that you can change and put question marks or numbers or brackets on to help show what you know and what you're trying to find out. Whenever you work on a tape diagram, that's what I'm going to say. The first thing is, what do I know? Put it in boxes, label it with numbers. The second thing is, what am I trying to find out? And you label that part of your tape diagram with big old question marks.